How's it going, everyone? This is DJ. Welcome to my channel. In this quick video, I will show you how to install TiviMate on your Firestick, FireCube, Fire Edition TV, or even on your Android Google TV device. Now, if you're not familiar with TiviMate, it's one of the best IPTV players out there, and that's my personal opinion, that has a very clean interface and offers a lot of great features. So without any further ado, grab your remote and let's get right to it. Now we're going to start with an Android Google TV device, and this is going to be the On 4K Pro, but it will work the same for any of the Android or Google TV devices. The TiviMate app is actually available in the App Store, so all you got to do is go to the magnifying glass on the top here, and you just go down where it says search, click on it, and just type in TiviMate. And just click on search. And there it is. All you gotta do is click on install. And that's about it. Now, if you're on a Firestick, we're gonna switch over there now. Now, on the Firestick, I'm gonna be using Fire TV Cube 3rd Gen over here. But the steps will be the same for any Fire TV device that you have. All right, now the first thing we need to do here is get an app. So we're going to go to the magnifying glass over here and go down. You're going to click on search. And in here, you're going to search for downloader. You're going to type in a couple of letters, not even, and you will see it right in the results here. Click on it. It will be this first one over here. Just make sure you don't select one of the other ones. All these are imposters. Click on this. And then for you, it may say get it, it's free. For me, download it because I had it on another device. So we're just going to click on it, let it install, and that's it. All right, now we're not going to open the app over here. You're just going to press the home button of the remote. Now here, we're going to go to the end of the list. So your settings over here, all settings. And you're going to scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Now, if you're on a Fire Edition TV, it will say devices and software instead of My Fire TV, but it's the same thing. Click on it. And in here, we need to enable developer options. As you can see, we don't have developer options in this list. If you already do have developer options enabled, you can skip this step. So what we need to do here, click on About. And where it says Fire TV Cube for me, for you, it may say Fire TV 4K or whatever your device is. You need to click on it 7 times. And as we click over there, we're going to see a countdown, as you can see here. And now it says no need, you're already a developer. Now you just got to press the back button once, and you can see developer options available now here. So we're going to click on it, go down to install unknown apps, select that. And where it says downloader, click on it, and enables it. And that's it. Now you can press the home button on the remote. The next step will be to open Downloader app. You can find that on the 3 boxes and the plus sign. That's your all apps and channels. Click on it. It will be the last one on the list. Anything that you install always going to be at the bottom of the list. You can press the left on the remote. It brings you right to the bottom. There's Downloader. Now if you want to move it around, bring it up closer, you can just press the 3-line button on the remote and move it to the front, or just click on move and just move it around wherever you want to place it. Click on it and it will drop it right there. All right, so let's launch Downloader. Over here, we need to click on allow and then click on OK. All right, now up here, we're going to type in a short code, and then the code will be 272 483. And then we're going to click on go. Now this is the official code for TiviMate. So give it a second, and it's just going to redirect you in 5 seconds. And it's going to stage in, and that's it. We're going to click on install here. All right, click on done. Now make sure you click on delete and then delete again. Once you install something, you don't need the installation file, so it just takes up space. So you try doing that with any file that you install from downloader. Don't want to keep them. All right, now we can press the home button on the remote. And then we're going to go back to all apps and channels. Click on it. And again, go to the left, and it will be the last one. Now you can move this to the front if you want. That way it's the first one. Go back to the home page, and you can see it's right there. All right, and that's pretty much the installation part. Now in here, as you can see, it says it doesn't provide any sources for TV channels. You can click on Add Playlist, and you got 3 different options in here. An M3U list, Extreme Codes, which is the most popular one, and then Stalker. Now this information you gotta get from your provider. All you gotta do is ask for the server address, and then your username and password in here, and that's about it. You add that information in there, and then you can press on next. Now, TiviMate comes in a free or a premium version, and as you can see here, all features are available in premium version only. Pretty much everything else is locked down. Now, if we click on Unlock Premium, you'll get a little brief description of things that you have access to with a premium account. And there's so much more you can do. And like I said, this is just a brief description. Pretty much everything in here you can just change around. You can go to appearance and literally you can change everything in here and make it truly your own app. Now if we go over to their website, TiviMate.com, it does cost $34 for a lifetime subscription for 5 devices. And I know a lot of people are going to say that's a little too pricey. But the options and the features that this app offers, I think you may find that investment worth every single penny, but that's my personal opinion. All right, so what do you guys think? Is TiviMate an option for you? Will you use the free? You're going to get a premium account? Do you use something else? How do you compare with your other player that you have? I would love to know. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Well, that should do it for today. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I will answer everybody's question as soon as possible. If this video helped you in any way, please give me a thumbs up. It does let YouTube know you like what I do here, and it does help my channel grow. Also subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified of any new videos that I upload. Thank you for watching. This is DJ. Till next time.